Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Standard size would be about 17x32, anything around this size, so could be an inch or two longer, shorter on either size or both sides. Usually the fitted changing pad covers have elastic around them and plenty of room to accommodate a little bigger and small than that size.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Some pads come with a strap that attaches to the back of the dresser, out of sight, or a sticky bottom. If yours does not, you can cut a piece of non-skid shelf liner or rug backing to size and lay it under the changing pad. This will prevent the pad from sliding around on the dresser top.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
How many changing pad covers do I need? You'll only need 2 changing pad covers for your diapering needs. Some people may think one is enough, and if you're really diligent about doing your laundry, it might be. But others aren't as good about immediately washing soiled changing pads, so 2 might be a safer bet.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.